Hey, this is Adam, and I'm here with David and Josh, and we are on our hike today, our Sunday hike, and just want to show you what we found. A giant millipede.
We'll find something else. Technically, I found it.
So we've seen lizards and some other things, but this is a giant millipede we found here on a trail out in a field in Cambodia. Pretty cool.
Come on, guys. Go. You're pooping. Josh, it pooped. It pooped. Which one to see? Check this out. Got it. Gotcha. They have different stripings.
The frogs?
Yeah. Daddy, I got a frog. You want to see it?
Yeah, I want to see them.
Whoa, he just jumped out.
All right.
There he is.
Yep.
This frog. Hey, bum, back here. Hey, I see fish. Good for you. There he is. He's right there. Those are 3 of them.
Someone's fishing net. Probably see it. It's tied there, and then it's a float out in the water. There's some little fish. Here we have a sensitive plant. Let's touch it and see what happens.